It doesn't matter if you picked inappropriate voices earlier in the dashboard form. You can always make changes later in the editor after listening to the results. It's not a one-time process or a single generation. You can tweak and update things anytime. First, let's talk about speakers. If you want a perfect result, it's best to listen through the entire audio carefully. Make sure all speakers are correctly assigned to their parts. For example, if you want to change the speaker in this segment, you can easily switch voices or rename the speaker like this. Second, if you want to change the voice for a specific segment, just click on the speaker icon here. This will open a voice settings window where you can select a new voice. Click it, and you can either switch to one of your cloned voices stored in your assets or choose another system voice from our library. Here, I'll pick one voice from my assets. Click Play Preview to listen and make sure it's the voice you want. Once confirmed, click Confirm to generate the new voice. And listen to the newly generated voice. Perfect. If you'd like to change the voice for an entire speaker, simply enable Apply this choice to all lines of this speaker and Confirm. This will instantly update that speaker's voice throughout the entire video. And that's it. Make edits and fine-tune everything until you're fully satisfied.